Hello and welcome on my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do another buy, build, first impression review of Fisher Price again. Video is not sponsored. Nikita is now oh my god, she's seven months. Crazy. She's very mobile at the moment, and she doesn't want to be on her belly. She doesn't want to sit anymore. She just wants to be all the time on her legs and walk and jump and do whatever, but obviously she can't by herself. And I must say that I am pretty tired sometimes, and I don't have the strength. So this is why we thought we're gonna buy this one. And obviously I am Amazon person and Martin is eBay person, so I found this one or similar one also from Fisher Price on Amazon for I think 100, yeah, and then Martin straight away found on eBay for £40. So obviously we took the one for £40. It's a little bit different, but also it's from Fisher Price. It's used. I don't know how much it was used, but everything is pretty nice packed. But I already washed the parts that I could wash, so and then the rest I'm gonna clean with wipes. Let's have a look. So again, it's a Fisher Price, and as I said, this is not sponsored. It should be rotating. It's like again, rainforest. We have monkeys. It looks like this, so it looks quite okay. Oh, you can adjust the height as well. Okay, and this is how it should look like. It's what does it say? The baby is awarded. The baby is rewarded with music, sound, and light. Develops. You have the jumping and reaching. You have sensory with textures, lights, and sounds. You have curiosity, activities, and toys to explore. You have what? Colorful lights, height adjustment. It's soft, comfortable. What else? Spins 30-60 degrees. Well, okay, let's build this. Let's have a look. Is it true or it's not true?
Welcome to the best beats online. Presented by Track Fishers.
I must say, I am a little bit sweaty right now. Looks very easy. Well, it is actually very easy to build. What you need a screwdriver, and you need 3 batteries as well for one of the parts. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did. Ta-da! Okay, what do we have here? We have the seat, which I think it's gonna be quite comfortable, and the seat is like going around, which is amazing. Then we have this one. Then we have this bit, which is the one that you can switch on and then, oh sorry, switch on. You have this kind of parts, some butterfly. Ah, all right, so she can take it up. Oh, perfect. She loves this kind of stuff. Then we have some monkey 1, monkey 2. Then we have this thing, which I don't really know what, doesn't do anything, but it's here. It's fine. Then we have this part. Here to put something, water, and it's supposed to be very easy to adjust. All right, the height adjustment. So it says that the baby feet shouldn't be like this on the floor, touching the floor or pointing with fingers, but like this one. So then you can adjust the height very easily. Here you just have to push it from this side, this bit, and this one should come from here. Ta-da! Then you taking this out from the silver one, and then you making the adjustments. So this is the final look. I must say it is in a very, very good condition. You can't say it's been used. I'm just gonna clean it obviously with the wipes, all the plastic bits. This is already I already washed this one. You have plenty of different toys. It looks very, very easy to make the adjustments for the baby height, and it's here. This is the part which is jumpy, and I can tell it's very jumpy. Now we have to just wait for Nikita to wake up, and then I'm gonna do the try on and first impression from her. But I am very pleased so far. So far, so good. Easy to build, very easy to put all the things together. I can't wait to see my baby jumping. So cute. Wow. Wow. What's that? What's that? Don't look at me, look at, yeah, exactly. Wow. Crazy stuff. Look, we can switch on here. She already wants to jump. Do you want to go inside? Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
Let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk it
Okay, so from 5, I'm gonna give Fisher Price 5 stars, I think. It looks super easy, super fun for the baby, super easy to build, super easy to clean, and oh my god. Nika, oi, are you happy? Okay, so very important message: do not put your baby after feeding. Absolutely not, she's gonna puke. Yeah. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and leave some thumbs up, give some comments, subscribe my channel, and we gonna see each other in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.